everyone, as we all know, Ganesh Chaturthi is coming on 27th of August, and this year we are decorating with the budget-friendly decor items from Meesho. So from vibrant torrents to rangoli stickers, LED lights to divine ideas, Meesho has it all. Yes, you heard me right, Meesho has it all. Prices are so low that even Bappa would say we're gonna ho gaya budget ka. So I will cover all the necessary decor items for Ganesh Chaturthi 2025. So stop scrolling and watch till end. Product links are given in the description box below so you can purchase by clicking on those links. So let's start. First product, as you can see on the screen, is a beautiful backdrop. So first thing you have to do is you have to got this stunning 5x5 feet backdrop, and this backdrop is so vibrant that it will bring that very festive vibe to the whole setup. It is in the perfect size, not too big, not too small. Whether you are setting up in your living room, balcony, or even a community pandal, this backdrop transforms the space instantly. It's super easy to set up, just hang it, light a few diyas, and boom, your Ganpati Bappa gets the royal welcome he deserves. Trust me guys, your Ganesh Chaturthi setup will thank you for using this stunning backdrop. Next, after setting up the gorgeous backdrop, you have to take it to one step further, and there you have to got these 10 stunning artificial floral garlands, which is our number 2 product in our list. So place them along the sides of the wall, framing the entire setup like a temple mandap. It adds the traditional touch of festive warmth, and it feels like Bappa is truly home. So these garlands are lightweight, reusable, and super easy to hang. No mess, no waiting, just pure festive vibes that last all 10 days. Yes, all 10 days. So the third step in the setup is these beautiful puja asanas in red and yellow color. Simple, elegant, and absolutely essential for this setup. Whether you are placing Bappa's ideal, arranging your puja thali, these asanas bring comfort and tradition together. You will get a set of 2 puja asanas. One puja asana you can also use to cover the Ganpati Bappa. Fourth step in the setup is the stunning chonki. It's the perfect tone for Bappa. You have to place it right over the puja asana to give the ideal a raised, respectful position. It adds height, elegance, and that temple-like feel to the whole setup. This chonki is sturdy, reusable, and comes in designs that match any festive theme. Whether you are going traditional or modern, it fits right in. This chonki, yes, it's not just a decor, it's a devotion in design. So Jai Ganesh, and let's move on to our next product, which is the heart of all decor items. And that is this divine Ganesha ideal. So you have to got this lovely Ganesha ideal and place it on the beautifully decorated chonki. This ideal radiates peace, prosperity, and positivity. So choosing this right murti will set the tone of the entire festival. So up next, step 6 in the setup is this beautiful urli bowl. You have to got this and place it right beside the chonki, and fill it with fresh flowers and water to add the divine fragrant charm. Urli bowls have always been a symbol of peace and prosperity. Just a few fresh petals and the whole space feels more vibrant, more sacred. So I know it's a small detail, but it brings the balance to the setup, softening the space, adding that color, and inviting that calm energy into our home. So seventh step in the setup is this beautiful diya urli bowl. So don't miss to buy this and place it on the other side of the chonki. Fill it with the candles to create that soft divine glow. This diya urli bowl balances the setup beautifully, one side with fresh flowers and the other with candle lights. Wow, what a combination! So the harmony, devotion, celebration in perfect sync. Eighth step in the setup is this gorgeous reusable rangoli sticker. You have to got this and place it right near the idol and fill it with vibrant rangoli colors to complete that festive vibe. Rangoli isn't just a decoration, as we all know, it's a symbol of welcome, positivity, and celebration. And with this stencil, it's super easy to create a perfect design without the mess or stress. If you want your Ganesh Chaturthi decor to truly stand out, this rangoli stencil is a must-have. Up next, ninth step in the setup is this beautiful toran for the main door, because the celebration doesn't just stay inside, it begins the moment you walk in. So it invites the blessing into our home and sets the tone for every guest who enters. This one is reusable, easy to hang, matches perfectly with the rest of the festive vibe, and you can even use it during your Diwali decorations. To add that extra wow factor to the Ganesh Chaturthi setup, don't miss this round decoration stand. It's super easy to set up, just connect the rods, shape the arc, and start decorating. You can decorate it with a mix of balloons and florals to match the divine vibe of the festival. This round stand also creates the perfect photo spot for family and guests. To complete the divine ambience of the setup, you can add the beautiful daylight candles also. Their gentle glow brings that warmth, peace, and touch of a magic to the space. So don't forget to purchase these as well. To add a touch of sound and a final step to our Ganesh Chaturthi setup, you can purchase this beautiful garland with bells. Just listen to their gentle chime. It feels like Papa's presence is being welcomed with every sweep. So that's all for the Ganpati Chaturthi setup. Product links are available in the description box. So what are you waiting for? Go grab this melodious of devotion before they are out of stock.